our topic is human body. So first we need to discuss about the human body before the urinary system, like what are the tissues and what are the covering of the human body. So let me tell you that the every organ that is covered in a layer that is known as peritoneum layer, and in that peritoneum layer peritoneum fluid is present. The cavity of our body is known as coelomic cavity, and in that cavity coelomic fluid is present. So our body consists of four tissues. Number 1 is muscular, number 2 is nervous, and number 3 is connective, and number 4 is epithelial. This is for covering, and this is for like muscles development, and nervous are like for the brain, like you may say for the nervous system, and connective tissue are like something else, I'm not known. So the cavity, and like here the term is parietal peritoneum. Parietal peritoneum is basically like it is the covering of the organ that are like in what do we say, like body wall के अंदर जो होता है. And visceral peritoneum means the stomach organ covering is known as visceral peritoneum. So our body consists of this part and this part. It is divided by this layer that is known as diaphragm. The upper one cavity is known as thoracic cavity, and the downward cavity is known as abdominal cavity. So I hope you get it. And now let's move towards the urinary system. Before that, I'm just gonna give you a small intro. So our urinary system consists of 2 kidneys, 2 ureter, 1 urinary bladder, and urethra. So from here you can see this is kidney, and here 2 ureters are forming, and here they come, and this is called urinary bladder. It is a pouch like structure where your urine stores, and then it passes into a small tube known as urethra. Urethra is in your control, means it is on your choice that whether you want to do your urine, like pass out your urine or not. It depends on you. It is voluntary, and this is involuntary. Okay, so as I told you that the covering of the body is peritoneum covering, okay, or you may say that the parietal peritoneum. So every organ is covered with this parietal peritoneum, but kidney is the only organ that is out of this parietal peritoneum covering, and that is known as retroperitoneal. See, it is written that kidney is retroperitoneal organ, means that organ that is at the back of the peritoneal layer. As I told you, this is the peritoneum layer. Okay, so these are the heart, lungs, stomach, and like abdominal cavity, thoracic cavity, and this is the parietal peritoneum layer. So you can see that parietal peritoneum is coming up to it, like it is at the back of the kidney. So this is known as, like we can say that kidney is the retroperitoneum organ. So the urine, let's talk about urine. We'll be talking detail about kidney first. So let's talk about the urine. So the pH of urine is 6.0, and we know that from 1 to 7 it is acidic, and 7 is neutral, and from 7 to 14 it is basic. So it is acidic, and produce urine in a one day is about 1 to 1.5 liters, and urine produce urea. Like urea is a waste substance. We'll be studying soon that how urea is formed. So urea is formed 25 to 30 gram per day. Okay, let's go towards the excretion.